Okay, for 717, they give us a table of data right here. And they're saying, does this claim that Nate had that cars with more horsepower were more expensive? So I could look at the cars with the more horsepower. There's 500, 453, 505. Okay, so they're big ones. So I see that the cost for those higher expensive ones are 38 or 23,000. But I see that there's other cars with lower horsepower here that cost more. So I would say that there doesn't seem to be, that this claim doesn't really seem to hold true. And then it says to investigate, let's graph this information and see if there is indeed a relationship or this correlation that they're saying. So I'm going to go ahead and graph these on this graph. So let me do that. Okay, so I did that graph, and clearly your graph would be better. It's hard to graph with the stylus on an iPad. But we look, so now we look over here, right, at this graph, and we can't really find a trend line in there. We really see no correlation. So I would say that the graph does support our answer from the beginning, which says that there doesn't seem to be a correlation between the horsepower and the cost.